Hello everyone, welcome to my fall home tour. Today we're going to be recapping a bunch of videos that I put together for one final video so you guys can see everything that we've done this season for fall. And I really hope you enjoy the video. I love bringing this video to you guys, and it's been such a great pleasure to do all these videos, and I thank you guys for watching. So we're going to start off today in the kitchen, and we're going to show you everything that went on and we decorated for fall. All the little things that were put together. I just totally enjoy doing all this stuff. So I'm really hoping that you guys have found these videos very, very inspirational. This has been a totally new experience for me, being on YouTube for this fall series of videos, and I just truly loved it. And I'm looking forward to bringing more videos like this in the future. Definitely we'll be starting Halloween videos soon, and then leading into Christmas also, which is another one of my favorite times of year. So stay tuned for all that. We have a lot more coming forward, and I'm looking forward to the new year to spend time with all of you guys. And you guys have been so good and courteous and kind and leaving comments and likes. I could not be more happy, and I appreciate you all. I just want you to know that. Take a look at some more things that I did in the kitchen. I'm not going to go over too many things because these are videos that we've already done. Just kind of showing you guys everything put together in one video just kind of makes it a little simple. And I don't want to talk too much through this video because I want you to just sit back and relax and enjoy this along with me. Maybe grab a cup of coffee or a cup of tea, and I hope you enjoy everything. It seems kind of sad that we have to leave fall behind, but the seasons are changing so fast. I cannot believe we're coming to that time where all the fall videos are finally being finalized and finished, and we're moving on to a different season. I always look forward to all the seasons, this winter too, but yeah, I'm gonna miss my pumpkins. I'm gonna miss the warmth of the home being all decorated, and having to take all this down is not really something I enjoy because I love it so much. But I am, however, looking forward to decorating for Halloween as well as Christmas. to know, guys, in the comments. Maybe you can let me know What did you guys enjoy most about fall this year? And did you guys do anything specific with your families or anything, special? Go to pumpkin patches and all that stuff with the kids. I did that and I just loved it. It was just so enjoyable, and the weather we had this year was so amazing that you could not help but get out there and enjoy it. I mean, it just seemed like the fall moms this year were actually more amazing than they usually are. And I don't know if it was because of the warmth of the heat, but I thoroughly enjoyed going out to the pumpkin patch and looking for the fall pumpkins and mums and everything like that. Now that the weather's cooling down a little bit, I'm looking forward to hot chocolate, and we get snow here in Canada, so I'm looking forward to that too. We don't get as much snow as we used to years ago, but we still get quite a bit here and there in little spurts, and I'm really looking forward to the cooler temperatures in a way, to get on the cozy socks and sweaters and all that. It makes you feel so nice and warm and cozy. So enjoyed this year putting together all these displays that you're seeing. I had so much fun doing these. I really didn't want it to end. It kind of seemed like this season of fall videos went by very, very quick. I really loved actually doing them. I thoroughly enjoyed doing tablescapes and even going into my living room and having the experience of doing a fall mantle. It just was just so much fun. So looking forward to doing more decorating coming up in the future seasons. Gonna head into the living room and show you guys a recap of everything that we did for fall. We did keep it quite simple on most of the table surfaces. I did go a little extra on the mantle, but again, I just thoroughly loved it. We're still enjoying it even right now. And so it was definitely worth putting it together. It took a long time to put together, but I'm so glad that I went ahead and did that. One thing I am going to miss about fall and all the videos and the decorating is all the warm colors that fall has to offer. The orange tones and the greens and just the reds, the deep reds and burgundies and just everything about that. I just love it. artist. It was all with the final little touches and all the little tiny touches actually that made such a difference for me this year in my displays that I did, and incorporating some real apples, textured baskets, and greenery. All those little things made a big difference to me. I even love adding the little touches with the suitcases and the sun hat. I thought that was a cute little touch. Loving that scarf that's draped over that chair. The colors in that I think are so beautiful, and that really was an inspiration too this year for me to decorate this living room, pulling all the colors from that scarf. Using the sunflowers this year. Also, you did see a lot of sunflowers in the fall videos, and I definitely enjoyed using all the sunflowers and bringing in all greenery and leaves. Wasn't sure actually what to do with this ladder, but I was very happy how it turned out. And it was just something very simple, but just putting a little bit of greenery and some leaves just made that little difference. Going to take a look now at the mantle and go over the display that I did for the mantle. This was quite a big display I tackled for the mantle, but I was so happy how it turned out, and I absolutely love it. Just love the colors. I love the blue and the white, just the burnt oranges. I'm very happy and very pleasantly surprised it turned out. When you're doing a project like this, you're just kind of doing it out of what's in your mind, so you never know how it's going to turn out. Just take one step at a time and keep building from there, and I was just so pleased with it in the end. Really love the violin touch. That just came to me one night. I'm sitting there thinking, what can I add to the front of this mantle, this fireplace? And I just decided to put the violin, and I love it. Like, I love how it turned out. I thought it was just a really nice addition to the fall displays. inside and show you what we did with the gardens this year. To the dollar store earlier in the season and purchased a bunch of the just plain baskets. And that was my starting point. I'm gonna put the fall mums, different sizes, varied colors. And I also knew I was going to be adding pumpkins into the gardens too, just standing them up in different ways. And I wanted to add a lot of color, but I was looking for a very traditional look. And it turned out really well. I really am pleased with how it turned out. I have some baskets that I purchased from, I think it was Hobby Lobby. Between that and the baskets from the dollar store, I put all the mums inside those. And I have a bench that I already owned and I decided to put my scarecrows on it, and I think it looks really adorable. I love the yellow mums, those are my favorite. Didn't have much left of my old flowers from the flower bed. I had to pull out a lot to add in the mums that were all annuals. I'm just heading to the other side and showing you guys that. Again, I tried to balance out both sides of the flower bed, being one on one side of the porch and one on the other. Just trying to keep the colors similar as much as possible. So I used pretty much the same colors on one side as I did on the other to balance. And same with pumpkins, I tried to do that. The orange mums are so beautiful too, like, oh my gosh, gorgeous. You're gonna probably recognize some of these pumpkins from the pumpkin patch. If you watch that video, we picked out a lot of pumpkins this year. Definitely enjoyed that. I thoroughly enjoyed decorating outside this year. This is the most mums I've ever used outside, and it turned out wonderful. Okay, so that's it for our fall home tour. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I want to say thank you for joining me, and toodaloo, we'll see you next time.